for an important pre-boarding announcement from our chief engineer, Jim.
Hi there, folks. Welcome again to Hershey's Chocolate World Station. Your adventure is starting right now. This beautiful station is inspired by the golden age of railway travel. And it's a lot like the ones Milton Hershey visited while traveling the world, learning and finding ingredients for his candy making. There's so much to discover here, but first, let's go over today's itinerary. Your ticket allows you to step aboard our spectacular passenger train, the Hersheyland Express, for an expedition into Hersheyland. And it's extra sweet for me because I'll be your engineering guide. Hersheyland is my favorite place, home to wonderful candy worlds that celebrate the Hershey treats we all love. See the travel posters on the walls around you? Those are some of the destinations within Hersheyland that we call sweet stops. Today's itinerary includes 3 stops, but we won't just be passing through these delicious worlds. We'll also be collecting treats and bringing them back here to Hershey's Chocolate World. On this trip, you're more than just a passenger. You get to help pick the 3 sweet stops we'll visit. At key decision points along our route, we'll pause and take a vote using some nifty features added by yours truly. Whichever sweet stop gets the most votes will be our next destination. A visit to a sweet stop can introduce you to the incredible ingredients that are at the heart of Hershey's treats, showcase how Hershey's scrumptious flavors are invented, and even give you a peek into our candy-making process. So, here's the rundown. First up on our route, we can travel to Kisses Valley. Oh, I love seeing those singing cows. Or we can head to Almond Joy and Mounds Cove. Oh, you gotta see the amazing chocolate waterfalls. Next, roll into Jolly Rancher Junction, where my best friend Judy works and plays. Or climb up to Kit Kat Timbers. They have whizzing wafer copters. Finally, hitch a ride to Reese's Ridge. Seeing the perfect swirl pool of peanut butter and chocolate never gets old. Or instead, twist on over to Twizzlers Forest. Everybody loves an excuse to be a little bit, well, twizzly. Along the way, we'll meet some friends of mine, experts who know all about how Hershey creates our delicious treats. And remember, there are no wrong choices when voting, so just follow your taste buds and have a good time. Nibs and wafers, speaking of time, I'm running late. I'm almost finished with some final upgrades to the train. I'll just be a few more minutes. While I wrap up, take time to explore the station. Use your adventurous guidebooks or scan the QR codes to dive deeper into the sweet stops. And our station attendants are here to share more Hersheyland goodness with you too. I'll see you on the train soon, and we'll set out on our journey. It's guaranteed to be chock full of wonder. You see what I did there? Chock full. Okay, bye!
Passengers, you have a few minutes to explore. We'll be back shortly with boarding instructions.
All aboard!
That's our cue! We're about to begin our special expedition into Hersheyland. Through the front window, you can see it's a beautiful day here in Hershey, Pennsylvania. We're just about to get rolling. 3 Hershey sweet stops. Our job is to gather delicious treats from each land to bring back to the station. And these candy capacity gauges will show us how much we've collected. Whoops. Now, let's get these shutters open and make wheels a-chuggin'. We've got a lot to see today. During our expedition, I'll need your help with a few special tasks using some of the train's features, added by yours truly. Take a look. Your seat has left and right arrow buttons on the armrests. We'll use these to guide the train towards sweet stops we want to see, and there's an action button right below them. On 3, give me your best train whistle like this. Woo-hoo! And hit that button to charge it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. left arrow for Kisses Valley or the right one for Almond Joy and Mounds Cove. Alright, let's make tracks. We're here at the famous Coconut Shaving Beach. These coconut and almond groves are where they grow and harvest the tasty, nutty ingredients for the Almond Joy and Mounds bars.
And don't you forget it.
Everybody, this is Kaya. She's our renowned coconut and almond sourcing specialist.
Welcome to the Cove. What brings you here today?
We're here to collect some Almond Joy and Mounds.
Well, you've come to the right place. Let's roll.
Drive mode!
The first step in making Almond Joy and Mounds bars is sourcing the best coconuts and almonds from groves like these. We're nuts about them. Oh, these are ready for harvest. Oh, I wish I brought the shaker with me.
Shaker? I think we can help. All right, everyone. Press your action buttons as fast as you can with me to shake those trees. Ready? Go! Yeah! Shake it, everybody!
Wow.
Keep at it. Just a few more.
Amazing. Great work, everyone. Any chance you could help me pick these up and get them to the factory?
I was hoping you'd ask.
Wow. Impressive. Thanks, Jenny. Shall we?
Yep. All right. Cool.
Welcome to the factory.
Wow.
This is where we bring everything together to create our bars.
Oh.
The secret to perfect Almond Joy and Mounds bars is in the coconut center. We whip the coconut up with just the right amount of air and moisture to create the perfect texture, like a tropical breeze.
Ooh, look at them. Wow.
Next, we add pairs of perfectly toasted almonds to the top of our Almond Joy bars. And then we coat them with our chocolatey waterfalls, enrobing the coconut in a layer of creamy goodness.
Get ready. We're going through. That was so much fun.
I love my job. Here's where the bars are packaged and shipped and loaded onto your tray.
Wow. Thank you, Kaya.
Come back anytime.
Bye. All right, team. You've collected the Almond Joy and Mounds bars. For our next sweet stop, we could go to the Alpine Wonderland of Kit Kat Timbers, or we could visit the flavor-filled streets of Jolly Rancher Junction. Hit the left arrow for Kit Kat Timbers, or the right one for Jolly Rancher Junction. Excellent choice. Off we go to Jolly Rancher Junction. Welcome to the incredible candy metropolis. Wait, do you hear that? Hey, everyone, this is Judy, the top flavor artist of the Jolly Rancher Flavor Workshop.
Hey everyone! Sweet timing! I'm developing a new flavor today. Wanna help me mix it up in the workshop?
What? Of course! The Jolly Rancher Flavor Workshop is a top secret creative place dedicated to extreme flavorification.
Well then, you better keep up!
Oh, she always does this to me! Hold on tight! Oh, check out these flavor canals! Their bright colors and fruity fragrances fuel the imagination of the Jolly Rancher flavor artists!
I present to you the workshop, where fruity flavor inspiration is found.
Nice!
Outrageously bold and super long lasting, each Jolly Rancher hard candy, gummy, and chew is made to deliver intense goodness in a itty-bitty package. Sound familiar?
Very.
Alright, let me show you how the magic of flavor making happens.
Awesome.
It starts with a base.
Okay.
We take a splash of this and a pinch of that.
Right.
Flavor is complex. It could be sweet, or a little sour, or sometimes both. It's only limited by your imagination.
How do you know when you found the right flavor?
With this, my patented flavor meter. It indicates flavor intensity.
Oh, cool!
I think we can do better. Wanna try?
Yeah, we do! Shall we? When you see the jars line up, hit your action button to release the flavor. Oh, here's one now! Yes! Here's another! Now!
Nice! One more. Go! Sweet! Let's take this for a spin! flavor.
Yes!
Oh, and I have a surprise for you.
Okay, right behind ya. Awesome! Thank you, Judy!
You got it. Bye, everyone.
We're almost full. See you soon! It's time to hit our lucky last sweet stop. We could go to the Rocky Reese's Ridge, or we could go to the Twizzlers Forest. Hit the left arrow for Twizzlers Forest, or the right one for Reese's Ridge. Oh, one of my favorites! Let's go to Twizzlers Forest. Welcome to the bouncy, bendy forest of the Twizzlers Twist.
Yoo-hoo!
You all heard that, right?
Yee-hoo!
Oh,
Ta-da!
what an entrance!
Well, if it's worth doing, it's worth putting your own twist on it. Oh, hi everyone! I'm Fritz from the Twizzlers factory. You ready to get Twizzly?
Yes, we're here to pick up a carriage load of Twizzlers.
That's a lot. The quickest way is to cross the river.
Hold on, everyone. Walk mode!
Whoa! Twistastic! Behold, the Twizzlers factory.
Wow!
Yup, this wacky world of fruity goodness is where Twizzlers candies are made. All the Twizzlers flavor in the factory comes from that vat. It gets sent down into all the lines below.
Whoa.
To make your big batch of Twizzlers candies, we need to get the flavor into that extruder. You folks, relax. I should have us hooked up in an hour or so.
An hour? Can we help speed things up?
I don't know. This equipment needs to be handled with the utmost care.
We can do it. Right, everyone?
All right, let's give it a try.
Yay! Now, first we need to connect to the vat.
Wow, how are you gonna get the flavor into the extruder vat?
With a little teamwork. All right, folks. On my signal, press and hold your action buttons to shoot the liquid into that extruder vat over there. Ready? Go! It's working! Keep going!
That's Twizztastic! Yee-hoo! Nice job! Now, the secret to the perfect Twizzlers candy is all in the twist. Each one is twisted 15 individual times.
15?
You doubt the Fritz? Well then, let me show you.
Wait, what? We're going in?
Yes.
Yeah, that was 15, all right.
The Twizzlers are cooled and hardened before it's cut to the perfect length by a ginormous blade.
What now? Yeah.
Oh. Never a dull moment. Oh, looks like your batch is ready to go.
That's the last load. Well done, everyone. Thanks, Fritz.
I live to give. Better get you all back to the station. Oh. Stay Twizzly!
Don't worry, I got this. Before we go, I want to show you something special. You know, we at Hershey believe everyone should be able to enjoy life's goodness. That love and care makes its way into every piece of Hershey's candy. Without people like you coming together to share and enjoy it, there'd be no Hershey at all. When I eat a Hershey's treat, I feel I have no words, but I can show you how it makes me feel.